of this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to promote, endorse, or encourage any illegal activity or unethical behavior. The techniques and methods discussed are shared solely to raise awareness about cybersecurity and to help individuals and organizations protect themselves from potential threats. Unauthorized access to computer systems, networks, or data is illegal and unethical. We strongly advise viewers to use the information responsibly and within the boundaries of the law. Always seek proper authorization before engaging in any testing or security assessments. The creators of this video are not liable for any misuse of the information presented or for any legal consequences resulting from actions taken based on this content. Always consult with a legal professional or cybersecurity expert if you have questions about the legal aspects of cybersecurity activities.
Hello everyone, welcome to this video about footprinting in hacking. Footprinting is basically the first step hackers take to gather as much info as they can about a target, like a company or network. It's a kind of researching before starting a project. In this video, I will go over what footprinting is, why it is important, and how it is done. Let's get started. There are two main types of footprinting, passive and active. Passive footprinting means you are collecting info without touching the target directly, like looking at their social media or searching public records on the internet. Active footprinting involves directly interacting with the target, which means you are sending requests or running scans on the target system. This can be risky because it could alert the target. The main goal of footprinting is to gather as much information about the target as possible. This includes things like IP addresses, what networks they are on, employee details, and security policies. Hackers want to know everything they can to find weak spots they might be able to use later. Some popular footprinting methods include using search engines like Google to find hidden info on websites, checking out social media to find personal or business detail, using WHOIS Lookup to find domain owner information, checking DNS records to see how target network is set up, analyzing target website for any hidden data or clues about their security. In active footprinting, you interact with the target directly. You can use tools like ping and traceroute to map out the network. Tools like Nmap help with port scanning to see what services are running. Banner grabbing is where you get info about the target system by checking what's on their servers. Email tracking can also be used to see if target is vulnerable to things like phishing. There are a lot of tools that can help in footprinting. Google Dark is a technique where you can use advanced Google search to find hidden information. WHOIS tool help you to find who owns the website. Nmap is a popular tool for network scans. Multigo helps you to connect the dots between people, organizations, and networks. Shodan is like a search engine for IoT devices such as cameras or routers or Wi-Fi devices. Remember, always get permission before doing any footprinting techniques. This is where ethical hacking comes in. You only gather information with approval, unlike black hat hackers who break the law. Unauthorized hacking can get you in big trouble, so always follow the rules. So that's footprinting in a nutshell. I covered the basics, the types of footprinting, the tools used, and why it is important in hacking. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I post more videos like this. Thank you for watching.